For squeegee removal, step 1, lower scrub deck, removing foot pedal from obstacle. Lower squeegee assembly to the floor, releasing squeegee. Loosen star nuts. Remove vacuum hose. Pull squeegee from back of machine. Ensure all areas are clean and free of debris. Inspect insides of blades for visible wear or tear, ensuring no obstruction to the pinch points at the end. To replace or change squeegee, remove buckle. Squeegee lifts off at tab points. Turning over creates a new side, install in same fashion. Matching tabs and slots, back over, install blades back as removed. Buckle to clamp, tighten again. Turn to other side, repeat for the back side. To reinstall squeegee, reattach hose. Lift squeegee from the floor. Slide forward. Retighten star nuts. Vacuum recovery hose. Check for proper clearance.